Here's the One Bay Breeze Hotel on Soi Honey. We're going to go check out a standard room. Right across from the Hemingway's restaurant and bar. Also 7-Eleven just around the corner there on 2nd Road. There's also 7-Eleven midway through this Soi as well. So you have the restaurant here, you got bar, you got draft beer for 55 baht only. They have a gym on the 10th floor and a pool on the 3rd floor. So let's go check out the room first and then I'll show you the pool. Cheers. It's because of, yeah, Christmas and New Year's. That's why the room is so expensive right now, yeah? Yeah. Have a swimming pool? On the 3rd floor. Thank you. Thank you. Your video too. That's okay. Standard room. 1,800 baht. What?
Yeah, 1,000.
Smart TV?
Yes.
Smart TV. No balcony. Yeah, soft mattress. Soft pillows. Outlets here. Outlets on that side. It's a nice clean room. It's about 32 square meters. Small fridge. Kettle, tea and coffee. Nice bathroom. Very clean. Good maids. I like this type of shower. It's good. You got 2 glasses there. You got a hair dryer. Nice, clean, modern. Safety deposit box? Yeah. I'm not opening this stupid thing. Oh, there you go. There's your safety deposit box. Laundry, you got slippers. Good sized closet. And you gotta pay for that. Have to pay for drinks, yeah, obviously. 2 free waters a day. This is what it looks like. Aircon, free Wi-Fi. That looks nice. High season price 1,800 baht. Pool on the 3rd floor. Okay. Thank you so much. Cup and cup. YouTuber.
ยูทูบเบอร์โอ้
ครับ
support นะ
You have swimming pool, yeah? Can I have a look? It's okay, yeah. I just walk up. I'll go by myself. Thank you so much, eh? Cup and cup. I appreciate it. Let's see if I can find the pool. And here it is. There's a small little pool here. So you got towels here. I guess you could order drinks here. Not quite sure. Shower. That's pretty cool though, you know, like 1.2 meters. It's kind of cool. It's kind of chill up here. Right on Soi Honey. And right across, you've got the Hemingway Pub and Restaurant, which is really good. Good food there. You got a great breakfast there. And they show all the sporting events, which is cool. The UFC. I don't think there's a gym here, so if there was a gym it would be on this floor as well, basically beside the pool, most likely around here. But so if you guys want to stay and you don't mind paying a little extra money for the high season, you stay here. The room is nice and clean. It's got a cool chill pool. And it's a modern hotel. They got a nice restaurant downstairs and sort of like a bar area. And I saw the menu there, the sign there. It's cheap food, and cheap drinks. I don't think there's any monthly prices here. I think you could book this on agoda.com or booking.com. You probably would get a cheaper price than 1,800 baht just for the standard room. So. And here's what I see. Yeah. They do have a fitness room. It's on the 10th floor. My bad. Saying they don't. Thank you. Cup. Okay. Yeah, so here's Hemingway's restaurant pub right across. And you got a 7-Eleven just around the corner here. And there's also 7-Eleven in the middle of Soi 11, Soi Honey. And so this is a great location. Price is a little bit high. It's because it's high season right now. Low season probably way cheaper, I would think. Maybe 1,000, 1,200 baht for that type of room. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to Pattaya Thailand. Check out my Patreon for full throttle videos. Check out my Instagram as well as my TikTok. Thank you for watching. Cheers.